Hi, today we are unboxing the Aurora Pro Ultra Short Throw Laser Projector from NexiGo. This is by far the best projector I have ever used, and after seeing lots of great reviews, I was eager to try it out. Everything you need to get started comes in the box. You get the remote control with batteries, the projector itself along with the power cable and manuals. The remote is backlit and automatically lights up when you move it, which is very useful for being able to see the buttons when watching a movie in the dark. When it first arrived, I was shocked at how big and heavy it was. It weighs almost 10 kilograms and barely fit on my small table. I think that the projector itself looks great. However, it has a nice metal finish with the gray speaker grills on the front. It also has an LED indicator which shows some cool animations when you power on the projector. On the bottom, there are 2 feet which can be adjusted using the dials on the side for easy alignment. On top, there is a small slit which the picture is projected through along with 2 sensors which turn off the lasers if something goes over it in order to protect your eyes. Unfortunately, I don't have a high-quality projector screen, so I had to set it up on a cheap, 100 inches portable projector screen from Amazon. This meant that the screen wasn't straight and had some wrinkles around the edge, so I had to move the projector closer so the picture wasn't on the wrinkles. The screen is also slightly translucent, and I was in a room with quite bright walls. In order to give the projector the best chance in these poor conditions, I decided to use it at night and turn off all the lights. Overall, it is very impressive. Setting it up was very simple. You can just plug in the power cable, put the batteries into the remote, and it is ready to go. There are clear on-screen setup instructions, so you don't even need the manual, which allows you to perfectly line it up if you are setting it up more permanently. They guide you through lining up the projector as close as possible. However, there is great keystone adjustment in the settings if you need to adjust it further. It comes with a built-in Android TV operating system, which means you can start watching content straight away without even connecting any devices. On the back, or perhaps the front, it has 3 HDMI ports, 2 USB ports, aux out, optical out, and an Ethernet port. This makes it very simple to connect all your devices for the best experience. All the HDMI ports support HDMI 2.1 and one of them supports ARC, which is great for connecting your sound system. The projector has a large, front-firing speaker with 2 15-watt woofers and 2 15-watt tweeters and supports Dolby Atmos.
Walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul.
It obviously isn't as good as real surround sound, but watching a movie on it was very enjoyable and there was an essence of noise around you. If I were to set this up permanently, however, I would definitely connect to a real surround sound system. The best feature of this projector is the picture quality. It supports 4K 120Hz with 2400 lumens, a 3000:1 contrast ratio, and 12 milliseconds of latency. This makes this projector great for everything from watching movies to gaming. Connecting a console that supports 4K 120Hz is a great experience, and you could not feel any latency. It even supports Dolby Vision, meaning that HDR content looked great with very good contrast on my white screen. My main TV is a high-quality LG OLED C10, which still looks a lot better with its infinite contrast and in key black. That being said, with a high-quality screen, this would be the cheapest way to get a large screen up to 150 inches without breaking the bank, and could easily replace your TV much more affordably than a 100 inches high-end TV. I even think it would be perfectly fine to watch during the day if you have a good ambient light rejecting screen. For many people, at £2,700, this projector is still out of reach, and you can get much cheaper projectors for the odd movie night. However, if you want the best, biggest picture in a movie room, or even to replace your TV, this projector will work great. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more content.